The Restart Maintenance option is one of my favorite tools in the system. Use the Restart Maintenance dialog box to view if any restart conditions were created for the company, system data, or users in your Sage HRMS payroll installation. You must sign on as the system administrator to have access to restart records. In Restart Maintenance, you can scroll through the records by clicking the navigation buttons. Use the information to determine which tasks were not complete. If you fix an error and are able to resume processing, the restart record for that task is automatically removed from Restart Maintenance. Delete a record here if you decide to restart a process or if you no longer need to continue with that process. Restart records are created when the system is interrupted during certain processes. Basically, the system saves at a certain checkpoint so that you can resume from those checkpoints in time should an interruption occur. So for example, if you mistakenly cancel out of a check run process or perhaps lose connectivity during the process and are unable to resume upon returning to the task, the system creates a restart maintenance record. Once the record is deleted, you begin again at the checkpoint. So in my example, you would begin printing checks from the beginning. So what I've done here is I've created a restart maintenance issue to illustrate how easy it is to use. So what I did was in my payroll processing, I had abruptly stopped the processing of my check run. So when I go back there, it's letting me know that my check run is incomplete, run payroll checks to reprint the checks or post. So when I come back to the screen, all of my parameters are defaulted to where I left off. I can hit print and post to see if it'll continue the process, but for my example, I want to show you how to use the restart maintenance. So I'm going to assume I can't proceed. So when that happens, you'll want to find the restart maintenance option, scroll through to see if you have any instances, which I do, so my last payroll check run is incomplete. All I need to do is delete it. Once I delete it, if I go back to the process I was at, the print checks and post, so now I'm at the beginning of the process. I'll fill in my dates and start the printing and posting.